Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to go on Bandit series on the OverTheWire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 10. Here's some description. Maybe I'd like to say this would be loose for finding or locating the passwords. As you can see over here, the password for the level 10 is stored in the file data.txt file. So this would be the first piece of important information. And the second one is the password lies in one of the few human-readable strings. And the last piece of important information to look for the password would be, the password would be preceded by several equals characters. For example, more than 2 equal characters. However, before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux. First of all, we need to SSH to the target, and we can, use command SSH. Okay, I'd like to autocomplete this command by pressing keys right arrow, and as you can see over here, I specify the username Bandit 9 and followed by the host name of the target. And of course here, very important to specify explicitly the port number. In this case, the port number is 222 followed by 0. And we have to do it this way because the port number is not default one by SSH service. So anyway, we can press enter. And it's asking us to supply the password for the current user, Bandit 9. No problem, we can paste clipboard. Now we are in the target machine. And we can press keys Control Shift and at the same time L key on the keyboard to clear the screen, so then we can get a bigger space on the screen, because this would be much better for you to see what's going on exactly. Okay, and the next I'd like to run command ls, and I always use ALAH option. And if you do not specify the directory, and so this command just lists out directory content, the current directory. Press enter, and I think this is what we want to deal with. Okay, and if you also, we can use find command, and we can use find command, and we can start our searching from root directory, and the name is data text, and we just interested in file rather than directory. And also, we can use redirect operator to redirect standard error to special noun device. Okay, here 2 stands for standard error. 1 means a standard output. If you want to output or redirect standard output and standard error into file, and then we can use and a symbol. Okay, so now we can press enter. Although there's some other files in other locations, but this one is what we want. Okay, so now let me clear the screen again. And first of all, okay, sorry, I'd like to run the ls command again. If you think any file with extension of txt is text file, you will be wrong. And to determine its file type, we can use file command and data. And here we can know that this is just data, not a text file. And if you, boldly get out this file, you can get some gibberish data or some random data. Okay, so next we need to pay attention to the second piece of information. about the password, and the password should be, should be in one of the few human readable strings. So we can use another very important utility or command, strings. I think I've already used this command a lot throughout my penetration testing. This command can retrieve human readable strings from the file. Okay, so strings followed by the file name, and I think you can get the all human readable strings. But because the output is so big, and we can combine another command, or we need to consider the last piece of information, which can be, taken as the third rule, okay, the equal. So we can pipe this command to the grep. Pipe operator can help us to run or execute multiple commands, and one by one. And the output of the previous command would be the input of the second command or the next command. Okay, and here we can use grep command to filter out what we want. And in this case, we can use extended regular expression, and this can help us to construct expression easily. Okay, we just this rule says preceded by several equal characters. It means that it must contain more than two equal characters. Okay, so we can use this way to construct the expression. Okay, I think this one. It means the line should contains equal character, and the quantity must be greater than 2. Okay, so now we can press enter. Then we can get the password. Of course, if you want to, if you want to get happier, we can use, or we can pipe to another command, awk. Awk command can help us manipulate, in this case, extract information from the output. And by default, the separator would be space, so we do not need to use the uppercase F to specify the separator. Okay, so or field separator to be more specific, and we can use the curly braces and print the second field. Oh, we need to use $, to refer to the variable, to refer to this special variable. Okay, now I think we can get the password what we want. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.